In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Wrike workplace with your team. Sharing your workspace can streamline collaboration, enhance productivity, and ensure everyone is on the same page. So let's dive into the process together and make this as easy as possible. First, you'll want to head to the Wrike website. This is where all the magic happens, so go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the Wrike webpage. Once you're there, make sure to log into your account if you haven't already. Having access to the right workspace is crucial before moving on to the sharing aspects. Next, let's explore the workspace navigation. Look for the More option. This section is typically where you'll find additional settings and features that aren't displayed prominently on the main navigation bar. Clicking on More will expand a menu with additional options available to you. This step ensures that you are delving deeper into the platform's functionalities, which might not be immediately visible. Once you've opened that menu, the next step is to click on Dashboards. Dashboards in Wrike are incredibly helpful. They are essentially powerful tools that provide visual insights into your project's tasks and other key metrics. When you click on Dashboards, this will take you to your customized boards with all of your pertinent project information and status updates. Now that you're in the Dashboards section, you'll want to find and click on the Share option. This is the action step that allows you to extend access to your dashboard. Here, the system typically prompts you with options on who you can share with and lets you customize permission levels. This can include giving read-only access or enabling editing capabilities depending on the needs of your team. Finally, the last step involves clicking on My Team. By selecting this option, you're identifying which of your team members need access to the workspace you're sharing. Ideally, everyone who is working on the project should be included here to ensure seamless collaboration. If you have specific roles or permissions to assign, Wrike gives you the flexibility to do so at this stage, and there you go. By following these steps, you can easily share your Wrike workplace with your team, enhancing collaboration and ensuring everyone is aligned and informed. Remember, sharing in Wrike isn't just about access, it's about maximizing the efficiency of your teamwork and project management practice. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating!